Hi, it's John from Mortgage Choice in Madrabar. Today I wanted to talk about an area that has seen a lot more focus since the Banking Royal Commission last year, and that is living costs and how they can affect your borrowing capacity. Prior to the Royal Commission, most lenders adopted an average for a certain household. So if you had 2 adults and 2 kids, or 2 adults and no kids, they had an average that they expected that household to spend. The problem with averages is that often they don't factor in expenses that your average household doesn't incur. Things like private school fees, private health cover, childcare, or even income protection insurance. So the Royal Commission forced a rethink, and now lenders look at your actual living costs by requiring you to provide a breakdown of your monthly expenses. They will then use the higher of this figure or the average for your particular household. And rather than just accepting your declared living costs, more and more lenders now require you to provide up to 3-month statements for your transaction accounts and your credit facilities. This serves 3 purposes. Firstly, it allows them to look at your spending patterns to see how much you are actually spending each month. Secondly, it will identify any undisclosed debts, that is, any credit facilities that you haven't declared on your loan application. And lastly, it is a check to make sure your bills are paid on time and you can budget well enough to have enough money in your account to pay your bills. So you can see there's a lot more scrutiny now, and you will need to ensure that you are mortgage ready before you look for a home loan. In most cases, you can get mortgage ready in a few months by ensuring all your debt facilities are paid on time and don't go over your limit. You need to ensure there are always sufficient funds in your account so there are no overdraws or dishonored payments on your direct debits. And you may even want to consider easing up on your discretionary spending, things like Uber Eats and other non-essentials that you will probably ease up on when you get your mortgage anyway. So if you would like to get some tips on how to get yourself mortgage ready, please get in contact with us and we would love to have a chat.